Bald eagles have been called noble and majestic, the king of birds, but as we shall see, this is a facade. First, the name is misleading. Bald invokes an image of a vulture, not an eagle. Don't know how bald became synonymous with white hair. Far from what you might expect from a majestic creature, the eagle's screeching call sounds like the squeaky wheel on a rusty trailer. Hollywood knows this would disappoint the audience, so this pathetic noise is often dubbed over with the piercing cry of a hawk, as with the Colbert Report. Eagles are inconsiderate, defecating wherever they feel like. And with gusto. The newborn chicks look like an adult beak was transplanted into a Furby. For some reason they enter the world white. Not satisfied with that color though, they soon change to dark brown. Like most animals, the young bald eagle goes through an awkward adolescent phase where he refuses to acknowledge his parents' existence. The parent, meanwhile, is fine with that because at least the kid's not begging for food. The first flight of the young eagle is far from graceful. Eagles usually nest away from humans to keep their embarrassing offspring from tarnishing their reputation for majesty. The siblings dare each other to be the first. They stall by preening each other. Here he goes. Just kidding. Maybe now? Nope. And nope. Fly, you fools! Finally, the young eagle tests his wings. Come on! That's more like it. Yeah, bro, fist bump me. Hey man, don't leave me hanging. Aw. Even though he is now flying, the young bald eagle is still an inept freeloader, mooching food off mom and dad. You don't know me. You can't judge me.